In this video, we are going to have a tour and review of the SotoGrande Neopolitan Hotel located near SM Fairview, so keep on watching! If you are looking for a quality yet affordable hotel within the vicinity of Fairview, specifically near the SM Fairview Mall, this hotel might be the right place for you. We just discovered na meron palang hotel na good for family staycation or even just a good hotel to stay for the night sa likod mismo ng SM Fairview. I can say na walking distance lang ito from the mall. To reach the location, just turn left on the street before Commonwealth Hospital and Medical Center. Then if you see a condominium-like building, that's the SotoGrande Hotel. Diretso nyo lang yung way at huwag kakaliwa sa unang kanto dahil hindi doon ang entrance. Pagkalagpas nyo sa first na kanto, few meters away, nasa left na ang gate or entrance ng mismong hotel. Although nakita na namin yung building na ito dati, we aren't aware na meron palang hotel dito, so we decided to have a tour and review of the place. They have plenty of space for parking in here, meron pa ata sa lower ground, and as you can see, meron pang under construction na building sa kabila. This is the main entrance of the hotel. Upon entering, you can already see almost every functional area of the hotel. This is their lobby area. And this is their front desk. We have booked through their Facebook page. They require at least 50% down payment for the reservation. You can pay through walk-in or bank transfer. Later, we'll discuss the room rates. In here is their restaurant or cafe, but sadly nung pumunta kami, since New Year's Eve na that day, sarado na yung restaurant nila. And on the right, we have the washroom for women. Upon checking in, hiningian ng vaccine card and valid ID lahat ng guest. Kahit yung vaccination card mo ay nasa phone, okay lang yon, pipicturean nila. And they also asked for the hotel deposit na 1,500 in case may masira ka sa room, pero ibabalik din after. So we are now headed to our room sa 6th floor. This is the view sa 6th floor ng building. Also, they have motion sensor lights. So, kusang nagbubukas yung lights kapag dumadaan ka. Upon checking in, they have provided this card and stub passes for the amenities of the hotel. So dito nakalagay yung white card which is needed para ma-activate yung electricity sa room. We have the swimming pool pass, gym pass, the physical key, and these are the room amenities. So they do not have the electronic key card, kaya meron talaga silang susi para doon sa room. We have booked their 2-bedroom suite, so let us now have the room tour. Dito sa right side, dyan mo ilalagay yung white card na needed for the electricity. Then on the left, may mirror dyan. And we have the cabinet. So marami silang spaces and cabinets para sa mga gamit nyo. Meron din dito sa taas. They also have water kettle and mugs or cups for your coffee. Then dito naman sa right ng room, we have the bathroom. The bathroom is quite small, pero inside we have this big mirror. We have a hair dryer. Hair dryer is functional naman. Minsan lang medyo hindi gumagana, so I think they need to improve that. They have water heater. They have provided towels, toilet with bidet, and then may tissue, and also meron silang shower here with bathtub. So magkasama na yung dalawa. These are the toiletries na na-provide nila. They have shampoo and conditioner, and then yung soap. But sadly, naubusan na sila ng stock ng toothbrush and toothpaste. So, I think it is better that if you stay here, magdala na kayo ng extra and magdala na kayo ng toothbrush and toothpaste nyo. They have this mini ref, bottled waters. This is the interior of the room. In here, we have the dining area, one dining table with 4 chairs. It is air conditioned. We have sofa in here, and on the left we have the TV, but it is not a smart TV. But the good thing about it is that meron naman siyang HDMI. So if you wanna watch Netflix or YouTube, you can connect your laptop. Pero magdala na lang kayo ng HDMI cable. It is also connected sa signal, so you can search for different channels. And dito sa living area, meron tayong view from the balcony. On the left, nandyan yung NU and yung SM. And banda doon is yung Commonwealth Hospital na dinaanan natin kanina. So, ito yung view mo from the balcony. As you can see, condominium-like yung style niya. Story time based sa staff na nakausap namin doon. It is supposed to be a condominium talaga before pandemic. But I think nung nagka-pandemic, hindi naging successful yung pagbenta nila ng units, kaya ginawa na lang nilang hotel. So this is a 2-bedroom suite. Here we have the bedroom number 1. The bed can fit about 2 people. It is also air conditioned. And meron tayong small window doon. And they have this cabinet for your clothes. It has light inside and hangers as well. Let us now go to the other bedroom, but before that, they have 2 lights in this bedroom. So medyo dark or dim lang talaga yung light. And then sa other bedroom, air conditioned din siya and merong balcony. Meron ding cabinet and bed that can fit 2 people. So, this is the view naman sa balcony sa isang bedroom. It is night, and dahil nga meron silang swimming pool and gym, i-check namin siya. Medyo madilim lang, but do not worry kasi next day pupuntahan namin siya so that we can see the view kapag ka-morning. So this is the view of the hotel outside at night. We are now heading to the swimming pool area and gym area. So around the hotel, since may mga ginagawa pang buildings sa kabila, you can see different things pa from construction. So this is their gym area. And this is their swimming pool. On the left, may mas malaking pool pa pero nakasarado na yung lights. Sabi sa front desk, hanggang 6 PM lang yung pool, pero based naman sa sinabi ni Kuya Guard sa entrance ng hotel, anytime naman daw pwede. And this is their menu sa restaurant nila if you wanna try their food. Hindi namin na-try yung different foods from the restaurant, pero with breakfast naman yung accommodation na na-avail namin. So, I'll have a review for that later. And that night, I met this cutie. Also, sabi din ng staff nila doon, yung hotel pala is ginamit as a hotel for lock-in tapings ng mga ABS-CBN artists. Pero since New Year's Eve that day, wala naman sila dyan. And since dito na kami magsa-celebrate ng New Year namin, we'll be sharing with you our celebration sa pagsalubong sa 2023. And since malapit nga lang siya sa SM Fairview, doon na rin kami bumili ng food para sa celebration namin. Also, the good thing about this hotel is wala namang added fee para makapagpasok ka ng pagkain. Hindi rin sila mahigpit sa ibang visitors. We would also like to greet you a happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Welcome 2023!
So this is the view at night during sa pagsalubong sa 2023. It is amazing kasi nakikita namin yung different fireworks from different places. Day 2 of our stay here at the SotoGrande Hotel. This is the view in the morning. And pinadeliver na lang namin dito yung breakfast na included na dun sa bayad namin sa room. So yung coffee nila, instant coffee lang din na kayo magtitimpla. Pero sabi naman sa front desk, if you eat your breakfast sa mismong restaurant nila, naka-plate naman na yung breakfast nila. So ngayon, bisitahin natin yung pool and gym area ulit this morning. So this is the way para makapunta doon sa area na yun. Few minutes walk lang naman siya from the hotel mismo. Mayroong basketball area sa left, and dito sa right, makikita mo na yung swimming pool area. So this is their pool area. May mga nagsiswimming na rin. And then, itong building na to, meron siyang events place or function room sa taas and then gym area sa baba. Hindi na namin napasok yung gym. So dito, it is a condominium building talaga. May mga residents doon. And ito yung area pabalik sa hotel. So we also check every area ng hotel. So this is what we do during staycations. Pumunta kami sa pinakataas. Ito yung view niya. For the overall review of the hotel, yung mga staff nila and employees, they are friendly and accommodating. So I commend them for that. Yung bed, okay naman. Malinis naman din yung CR and yung mga gamit nila. But one thing lang, siguro if SotoGrande Hotel is watching, I think that you need to deep clean or vacuum your carpets. Yung mga guests, I suggest wag kayo magpaa kasi medyo need ng cleaning ng carpet nila doon sa room. May few visible stains, pero overall yung stay namin sulit naman sa binayad namin. So these are the room rates. For the studio room, we have 3,000. Studio with balcony, 3,200. Studio deluxe, 3,400. And ito yung binook namin na room, the 2-bedroom balcony. It is 5,000 a night for 4 persons. Kung gusto nyo mag-additional, 850 without breakfast. If with breakfast, 1,250 as far as I can remember. Pero hindi rin naman sila mahigpit sa visitors. So, you can message them through their Facebook page or call them. May sumasagot naman sa telephone nila. So, that is an overall review of our stay in SotoGrande
For
Hotel.
reference,
Itong 2-bedroom suite, yung binook namin ni room with breakfast na ito, 5,000 per night. I also forgot to mention, meron silang Wi-Fi, pero mahina yung Wi-Fi nila sa room namin, so I have to use the data, so they need to improve their Wi-Fi. Also, they do not have available extra beds, kahit binayaran mo yung extra person. Thank you for watching. We would appreciate if you would like, share, and subscribe.